In this final lesson for this model, I want to talk to you about setting long term career goals. Setting long term career goals is crucial to staying focused and moving forward in your professional journey. And having a roadmap helps you track your progress and pivot when necessary. Now, the first way to set long career goals is self assessment. You need to start by evaluating where you currently stand in your career. What are your strengths and area of improvement, and what skills or position do you aspire to achieve? For example, for me, I asked myself what I'm doing currently, will I be relevant in the next 10 to 15 years? You want to know, you want to give yourself a time, or do I need to upskill? And if I have to, do I want to start now? If you're currently a graphic designer, but you want to become a creative director, you want to assess the skills and experience needed to make that. After you've done that, you've done your self assessment, you want to create a timeline. Break down your goals into achievable steps and assign a timeline to each one. For example, within the next year, I will complete a UX design certification, and within 2 years, I will aim to design projects for larger clients. Now, once you have done that, you need to get into action. And after getting into action, you need to position yourself for higher paying opportunities. Higher paying opportunities always come with advanced skills, specialization, and a strong personal brand. Even in our rate card for higher ME, we have different prices depending on your level of expertise. And so it's important that you get higher. In positioning yourself for higher paying opportunities, you want to build a strong portfolio, showcase your work, and demonstrate your expertise. A well organized portfolio with diverse projects will help clients and employers see your value. Then, your personal brand is important. Position yourself as an expert in your field by sharing knowledge through blogs. Take your social media and online blueprint seriously. A strong personal brand can lead to higher pay and even get you high paying roles. It's been a wonderful time going through these 8 models with you. You're now going to be taking your last and final quiz in this project or in this whole tutorial. And I wish you all the best. After your final quiz, watch the final video, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.